So finally I get a call from Royal Enfield's showroom saying they have the Interceptor alloys ready for me. But I was thinking, do I really have to go for that, because I already have alloys fit in my Interceptor. You can see that it's already been 2.5 years that I got this fit. I bought this on Amazon, and the company is Royal. It's been really good. I've been having good experience with this alloys. I was just thinking, should I go for the RE ones or should I keep this one only, because this gave me a very good experience. It has no issues at all. Only a small things like, the color has been chipping off over here. Apart from that, there has been no problem at all, and it looks good as well on my bike. But then, right, changes are necessary, and I'm really excited for the new RE original alloys. So I'm going to showroom now, and I'll get the new alloys and get it fit, and I'll give you the complete details and the experience of that particular alloys. So let's go to showroom. I'll catch you guys in the showroom itself. So as you can see, this is the new alloy wheels. This is the back one. Everything comes pre-fitted. Looks very premium and it's solid actually. You can see the part number as well. Okay, so this is the front alloy wheel. You can see it comes pre-fitted with everything, the bearings, etc. 18-inch alloys, and this is the part number. Original RE wheels. Let's get this also fitted. Looks sturdy. You can see this is my old one. It gave very good life actually, except this paint peel off. Rest everything was good. It had no issues at all. Anyways, bye bye for this, and hello to that one. The alloys are fit, and I rode for some kilometers, and let me just tell you the experience of these alloys. As you can see, both the front and the rear. So coming to the looks, they look completely cool. They look raunchy and macho kind of look actually, because I have this ralco tires. I've seen the same alloys with Seat, but that looks like normal thing. But on ralcos, you can see they look completely macho. They look huge actually. So this is how it looks. So in terms of looks, the alloys is very good, no doubt about that. I had a old alloys also as well, and that also used to look cool, but this also looks good actually. Coming to the durability, they're made up of very good alloys. You can see they look strong, they're built strong, no doubt about that. These are from RE, and also everything comes completely within itself. You don't need to buy anything extra like the bearings and all, so they're directly fit. You can buy them from RE or anywhere else and go and get it fit from a puncher shop guy as well. And coming to the ride quality, the difference between spokes and alloys, there's not much difference. This also rides well along with the spokes as well, so don't feel much of a difference. But yes, since these are original alloys from RE, so it rides well as well, no wobbling etc. So these alloys costed me around 16,500, and I directly bought it from the RE showroom itself. It's the Acclaim Motors Yelahanka. So I ordered from them, I got it within 2-3 days, and they only got it fit over there. So it's directly fit, right? So there's no other issues, and you can remove the tubes also which are present in your old tires, and you can use it anywhere else. So if you're planning to get alloys for the Interceptors or the GT650, you can go for this. They're absolutely perfect, they're absolutely good. The build quality is also very good and looks cool on the bike as well. And yes, it's on the higher price of the side, 16,500. Can wait for some more days, maybe it might go down, I'm not sure on that. But if you have that much an amount and you want to change it, go for it. No headache of punctures, nothing. If you want to buy these alloys, I will mention the link and page where these alloys are available. You can directly contact them and you can book the alloys for yourself, and they will get it within probably a week or maximum 8 to 9 days. And you can get it fit there itself. It's the Acclaim Motors in Yelahanka. So number and address will be in the description box below. I have my old alloys as well. They are from Royal Laredo. I've just been using them for 2.5 years, and it's run around 3 to 4,000 kilometers maybe. So if anyone wants that at a very minimal price, just mail me or write down in the comment section below, and I can get in touch with you and give those alloys as well.